Thank you, House Chair. House Chair, there's a massive shaking taking place in our nation. And this follows the explosive revelations by Lieutenant General Makwanazi of crime and corruption at the highest level of SAPS, even at the ministerial level, with the tentacles of organized crime reaching out into Parliament, the NPA, and even the judiciary. The ACDP believes that Almighty God is indeed hearing the cries and prayers of crime-ravaged society, crying out for justice in communities where crime is so rampant. There's a shaking taking place, and it will expose the rot and corruption. But thankfully, we are given a kingdom that will not be shaken. Rot and corruption is being shouted from the rooftops. And we need to have more whistleblowers. We need better protection for those whistleblowers. But following these explosive revelations, the question arises as to who is to guard the guards? Quis custodiet ipsos custodes. It falls on us as parliamentarians to exercise oversight over the SAPS, over the NPA, and even over our own MPs. These shocking revelations need to be tested as soon as possible, either by an independent body of experts or even an ad hoc committee of Parliament. Crime-ravaged communities demand better policing and accountability. They demand justice. So should we. Chairperson, the ACDP has taken note of the criticism of the NDPP and the NPA, and whilst there are correct concerns about many judgments, such as the Omotoso, the Charlotte matters, we can and should also celebrate the NPA's many successes. In this regard, we commend Advocate Zelda Swanepoel for the groundbreaking conviction and sentencing to life imprisonment of Apollos, Van Ryn, and Smith for the kidnapping and human trafficking of little Jocelyn Smith, whose whereabouts are still today unknown. This case received international attention, and we as the ACDP also commend Justice Nathan Erasmus for hearing this case in the Saldanha Multi-Purpose Center, allowing justice to be seen, to be done. We trust that these heavy sentences will serve as a deterrent to other perpetrators and instill a sense of hope and public confidence in the NPA and the judicial system. Lastly, the ACDP wishes to thank all the officials, prosecutors, and members of the judiciary who every day, under very difficult circumstances, provide justice to our people. I thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Member.